Alright, what's up YouTube? I got another package in. Let's box it up. It's something kind of simple. This is not a stock, but it's like a replication of I guess what the stock one is. So this is a reverse backup camera integrated into the handle. So I don't have a lock right here, so I'm gonna see if I can find a plug to plug that, but otherwise I guess later on I can put a key or something. But probably what I'm gonna start off doing is to make sure that this camera is compatible with the radio. Probably gonna take this part off and then I'll wire it up right here real quick in the front, just to make sure before I go do anything else. Let's get to it. All right, I didn't notice this had some instructions on the inside. So on here, on the wiring harness, looks like we have connection for behind the radio. So it's a purple wire, a black wire, and a red wire. And on this side also has purple, black, and red. This looks like this connects to here. So let's see what the instruction says. It says red accessory reverse trigger. This will be connected to the vehicle's accessory wire or reverse light trigger wire. This wire powers the camera depending on your setup. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna have to tap that red wire into where the rear, dog's doing the rear reverse positive. Black is ground. Purple trigger pass through used when connecting to a reverse trigger in the rear of the vehicle pass forward to the source unit. Green parking lines default to display parking lines. Connect to remove displayed. Okay, so I probably am going to want, oh, I see those right here. I'm probably going to want to connect those because I don't think I want those lines. Anyways, I just thought I would run over this real quick. I didn't even see this in there at first, but it does come with a small set of instructions. It's literally like one page. Let's get going. Alright, so we're going to start by removing this panel because it just makes it easier to get that out. So it's literally Phillips, and then 1 10mm down here. Let's get this off. Alright, so we got that part off. Now we need to remove this faceplate. So to start, I'm gonna turn the key on, which it is. I'm just gonna pull this all the way down to make room for this to pop off. Then we'll pull it out. Alright, now we got that piece off. I just have it dangling right here. We're gonna take these two, I believe those are 7mm. I use a 9/32, but I believe they're 7mm. And take this bottom piece off. Alright, well, I did locate the camera input for the back of the radio. I do have the red connected to a temporary 12-volt source. So it's just going to power the camera on. I have the camera over here plugged in. So let's turn the key on. Actually, let's go ahead and just start it. Wants to turn on. Okay, so let's put it in reverse and see what happens. There it is, and it does have the lines. So okay, well, now I verified it works. Yeah, I'm gonna want to take those lines off. So I'm probably going to connect that green wire. I think it says put it together, and then make sure those lines go away. So let me do that. Alright, so I twisted those lines together, and I know it's hard to see with that glare, but I twisted those green wires right here together. Let's see, I can't even see that. Hope you can see that, but I twisted those together and the lines are gone. So that's good. So we know everything works. Now let's just get to running the wires. Alright, as you can see, I don't have the keyhole here. Let's go ahead and lower this down. So we're going to start by removing these bolts. You have an oddball bolt right there for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, let's get these removed. Get all those out. This should just pop out, I believe it has a couple of clips. There it is. Yep, a couple of clips, 3 clips. Alright, so let's get the other one and figure out how we're going to get it wired or wire pushed through. Alright, so there is a hole right here. You can see that. I'm going to, it's kind of hard to see them, but I'm going to attempt to fish through that hole up to the front. And it looks like I'm probably going to end up pushing it through that hole right there. Let's see what happens. All right, well, I got the wire through, and I got this on. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's kind of a shitty fit. So I don't know, but it's on there. So I might have to. I don't know. If anything, I guess I could send this back in this one with this one piece. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, let's keep going. Alright, so I had to pop the tail light off and find the reverse wire. Of course, the reverse wire is down here. Tapped into it, says green wire. Just gonna run it down, connect it down there. Alright, so I got it plugged in here. I got the green wire ran. Got a butt connected here. And then I'm gonna put probably some heat shrink or something all over this and start running it down. Alright, well, I ran it all the way under. That was obviously the worst part. I did run it up through the same hole I ran the amp wire through. Tucked it in, pulled it in. I got it here. So now, just got to get this plugged in, test it out, put everything back together. We'll be done. Alright, well, I got it plugged in. Let's test to see if it's still working. And there it is. It's working. Doesn't look like the best picture, but I guess it's better than nothing. It almost looks like it's zoomed in or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna mess with it. Just gonna put this dash all back together. Alright, well, let's look at it from the back. I don't know. I guess it looks alright. I gotta do something about that big hole though. I mean, I guess that's what the stock one looks like. Really not a good other place to put a camera, but I mean, it is what it is, right? I probably just need to get used to it. Maybe I need to look at another truck so it makes me feel better. Anyways, well, it's installed. Wires ran. I guess it looks stock. Let's go in here. Got the dash all put back together. Of course, it's another hot day. Let's see. Man, it sure is nice having a backup camera, I tell you that. You get used to it, and then it just... Let's see if... Anyways, I was losing my train of thought. You get used to the backup camera, and then it's hard to not have it. What was I doing here? Let's go to where's my settings? Am I missing something here? Settings. Let's go to reverse. Let's see what's in here. Reverse mirror, reverse radar, reverse trajectory, reverse line ruler. Oh yeah, see, that puts lines. I don't know if I really want that. Reverse mode, reverse delay, reverse system selection. I guess it switched to that. sure if it makes a difference. Yeah, definitely ain't that. Oh, that's TVI. Let's try this one. Oh, it is. It does have to be NTSC. Okay, well, like I said, the quality's not that great, but I don't know. I guess it's better than nothing. We'll see. Maybe I'll upgrade it in the future or something. It was a pain in the butt to run that wiring though, so I don't know. We'll have to see. I may just have to live with it. But anyways, I mean, like I said, it's better than nothing. Guess we got a reverse camera. Now I've been working on this thing little by little, you know, work and coming home and just doing little odds and ends things to this. So I haven't had much time to really actually really even drive it. I haven't driven this thing at all. You know, I've just been wanting to do these little things. So I do have one more thing that I do want to get done, and that is the I want to put my alternator in. I have a McMahon 400 amp alternator that I do want to get in, and I do want to get the big 3 done, and then redo all the wiring right there at the battery. So that is going to be next. I'm not sure if I'll get some time with this radio. I know I said I would do a review on it and stuff, but I don't want to do anything until I get some time with it. You know, I don't even have my phone out here. But anyways, you know, truck's getting put together little by little. You know, just trying to upgrade it. Got the steering wheel, did the stereo, the bags, backup camera, did the garage door opener. Just a bunch of little stuff, you know, the windows, the mirrors. It's coming together. It's just my little, kind of like my little project truck. But anyways, you know, if you like this kind of stuff, or you know, maybe just want to see how some of it is done, and I try my best to make some videos about you know, getting all this stuff done. But anyways, like and subscribe if you appreciate my content, and we'll get on to the next one. Like I said, it's probably going to be that actually I do got to make a video on the e-bike though. Got a flat, so that probably will be the next one coming up. But the next one for the truck will be most likely the alternator. Anyways, signing off, YouTube. Everybody have a wonderful day. Peace. Oh, I got that. Hey everybody, this is my wife. She's disgruntled.
What?
Think she needs a new husband. Let's see if we can find her one. Make her famous.